Sunday, April 19th, 2020, day 39 of the quarantine. What's up, world? My name's Rim, this is Mookie, and this is your The World is Going to Shit update. Total number of cases worldwide has passed 2.3 million people, with 161,000 of those being fatal. But over 604,000 patients have recovered. Australia says it has seen a genuine flattening of the curve. With 942, Singapore says it has seen its largest single-day surge. The US and Canada agree to keep their borders closed for a further 30 days. The US death toll exceeds 38,000. China reports its lowest number of cases since March 17th. Germany to start easing lockdown restrictions. Japan's number of cases crosses 10,000. For the first time, Mexico sees over 100 deaths in a 24-hour period. So in conclusion, this world is still going to shit. We'll see you tomorrow.
Guess what, bitch?